Episode Cooking with Amy Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make these nice tender strips. Very delicious and very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Good chicken breast tenders. First we're going to boil this. This only costed me $1.84. Anyways, just into a pan. We're going to boil this until it is very tender and done. And I'll show you what we do to the next part of it. Just very good. Let me kind of look at that. Ain't near done yet, but meat's already looking like it's falling apart, but not quite. We're gonna bake it this time. We're not gonna fry this. You'll see when I come back. Look at that. Anyways, let's come back in a few minutes. Half a cup of flour. Okay, like that. Now you want a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of salt. Now this is a teaspoon of black pepper. Because I love black pepper. There, this stuff real good. Combine it all together. Perfect. Very much perfect. Bowl, you want about 1 1/3 cups of canola oil. Next you want 3 teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic. 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. Next you want to stir this all together. You want 3 teaspoons of minced garlic with 1 1/3 cups of canola oil. Okay, we'll go to the next step. So you want 1 cup of Panko. Okay. 2 to 3 cups of Parmesan cheese, but I only had half a cup, so I'm gonna have to work with that. Okay. 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. I got 1 teaspoon of basil leaves. And we're going to stir this real good, combine everything together that I just put in this bowl. You don't have to stir hard, just stir it in. Very tenderized meat, so I got to be very careful with it not to let it fall apart. Trying to keep it away from, yep, fogged up on me. That's the way smoke is. And nothing we can do about it. Come back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna dump this all into the flour. Your chicken. Gotta be careful if you, because it can fall apart easy. We're gonna coat it like that. We're gonna put it into the oil. Okay, then we put it over into the, come back in a few minutes. Put this into the oven. You want to put it into the oven to about 400 Fahrenheit for about 15 or until it's done. Look at that chicken right there. We're going to do a taste test on this one right here. Look at that. That is so good, so tender. So very delicious. I want to thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos.